Reddit, what's the most ridiculous thing you believed as a kid? I once fully believed that if I stepped on a crack, I would literally break my mom's back, not just a throwaway saying, but like, actually break it. So, I took day tours around sidewalks and practiced hopping from one square to another like I was training for the Olympics. Kids at school all had their own beliefs, but mine was way too serious. One day, I was running late and accidentally stomped on a crack, like, faceplant late. I freaked out. I rushed home, convinced I was the reason for my mom's backache that week. I threw myself at her feet, begging for forgiveness. She just laughed and said, "It's fine, my back's not broken. You can stop doing acrobatics." I kid you not, my childhood was a full-on but crackless mission.